Hello, beautiful people. If you want to achieve flawless, poreless skin, then you've come to the right place. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the EELHOE Lactobionic Acid Pore Shrink Face Serum. This incredible Korean cosmetic is a game changer when it comes to skincare. Infused with lactobionic acid, this serum deeply penetrates the skin to clean blackheads, shrink pores, and combat acne. Not to mention, it also provides long-lasting moisturization, leaving your skin feeling supple and hydrated all day long. Trust me, your skin will thank you for this. What I love most about this serum is its skin-repairing properties. It works to rejuvenate and revitalize the skin, giving you a radiant and youthful complexion. Say goodbye to dull and tired-looking skin, and hello to a glowing and healthy visage. So, if you're ready to take your skincare routine to the next level, I highly recommend giving the EELHOE Lactobionic Acid Pore Shrink Face Serum a try. Don't miss out on the opportunity to pamper and nourish your skin with this incredible product. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this Korean beauty must-have. Your skin deserves the best, and this serum delivers just that. Subscribe for more skincare tips and reviews, and let's embark on this journey to radiant skin together. Take care, and remember to love the skin you're in.